What a ride! This is the AW109 GrandNew, a premium variant in the A109 range. Let's take a look inside the cabin. Now, you can fit 6 passengers in here, or if you're flying with just a single pilot, you can squeeze another passenger in the cockpit as well. It's decked out with this gorgeous off-white leather, and you can really smell the quality of the leather when you open the door. And it's got this lovely little step. Now, not all helicopters have this, but you know what, it's really, really useful, especially if you've got a little bit of luggage with you. Now, when you're sat inside, it is so very quiet. Normally, you're in a helicopter and you get bombarded with the noise. But you know what? You can hold like a normal conversation in here. You can chat to each other without even having the headsets on. In fact, the only time that I put the headsets on is if I wanted to watch the iPad or if I wanted to go on YouTube and watch some videos. Now, another thing that makes the ride so very smooth and really, really quiet as well is that this helicopter is really aerodynamic. So the wheels actually lift up into the undercarriage. Now, in the front, we've got lots and lots of the latest technology in situational awareness and also flight management as well. And that means that this helicopter really is the optimum in safety and efficiency. And it's really, really quick as well. It can cruise at around 180 miles an hour, which means that you can get from a back garden in the home counties all the way to Paris in 90 minutes. And that's door to door, remember. So it's so much quicker than a private jet. And of course, you don't have the hassle of going through the airport. What's more, you can take all of your luggage with you. There's a really, really big boot space back here. In fact, James, could you give me a hand to get my bag out? Now, I would say you could fit maybe 3 or 4 of those back there, so you don't have to leave anything behind. The great news is this GrandNew is available to charter right now.